Good morning. So I'd like to get right in and talk about Apple Watch.
There are new watch faces like this beautiful one with time transit. And now with third-party complications, you can see even more. And time travel. Just rotate the digital crown and view the day ahead. And we're adding transit to maps. Facebook Messenger is coming to the watch. And then AirStrip.
You know, AirStrip plays an important role in our country's healthcare system. Now, if I look at my watch face, I can see my next patient, I can notice their diagnosis, and I can actually time travel to see what's next. Now, within the message itself, I can see the alert, the waveform snippet, vital signs, and the lab results. Now, thank you.
And today, we're offering even more choice. And that company is Hermes. Together, we've created a collection. It starts with this iconic doubleture that wraps elegantly around your wrist twice. It's made of hand-stitched leather that ages beautifully over time. These are going to be available in select stores in October, and we think people are going to love Apple Watch Hermes. We're really excited to offer two new finishes, gold and rose gold, and anodized aluminum. We're offering a stainless steel case with a product red band. We're adding a fall collection of new bands ranging from vibrant hues to more neutral tones. The new models that you saw are shipping today, and watchOS 2 is available on September 16th.
Next up is iPad. The biggest news in iPad since the iPad. This is the iPad Pro.
It has a huge screen, the biggest we've ever built in an iOS device. It's 12.9 inches on that diagonal. And inside it, something even more amazing, the chip that powers it. This is the new A9X chip. It's our third generation 64-bit chip. We've doubled bandwidth to memory. We've doubled the read and write performance to flash storage. It is so fast. 10 hours of battery life. We now have a 4-speaker audio system. The iPad Pro is just 6.9 millimeters thin, a brand new accessory just for iPad Pro, and it's called the Smart Keyboard. It's covered in an Apple woven fabric. We call it the Smart Connector. It carries power and data and connects magnetically to the Smart Keyboard. So we're so happy to introduce to you another brand new accessory specifically for iPad Pro. It looks like this. It's called Apple Pencil.
While its battery lasts for hours of use, a lightning connector lets you recharge by plugging directly into iPad Pro.
And who to know better about productivity than Microsoft?
Up on the screen, you'll see a beautiful Microsoft Word document on the gorgeous new iPad Pro. Now watch as we can use the Apple Pencil and circle items in our document. We can strike through, we can add suggestions, and we can write in the margins. So we'll take advantage of iOS 9's multitasking capabilities. With a quick swipe, we can have both Word and Excel on the screen at the same time. Watch as we can go ahead and draw some shapes here on our slide, and they're converted automatically to graphic objects.
Well, the new iPad Pro starts at just $799. That's with 32 gigs of memory. For 128 gigs, it's 150 more, and there's a configuration with 128 gigs in LTE networking. New iPad Pencil. Excuse me, the new Apple Pencil, $99, and the Smart Keyboard, $169. And they'll all be available starting in November.
I'd like to talk about an even larger screen, and that is your TV. We believe the future of television is apps. This is the new Apple TV, and we believe it is the future of television.
The new Apple TV starts with a powerful set-top box and a revolutionary remote. It's got an incredible new user interface. The new remote has a glass touch surface across the top that makes it both fluid and precise to move around. Now, sometimes it's better to interact with your television using your voice. And the Siri remote does exactly that. Show me funny TV shows. It'll search across multiple content apps and give you all your viewing options on a single screen.
What did she say? Siri will skip back 15 seconds and temporarily turn on the captions.
We're introducing a brand new operating system for your Apple TV called tvOS. Incredible games like Galaxy on Fire, Rayman Adventures, and even games that have only been available on consoles.
All right, this guy here is Throwbot. Watch how Mike hits his rhythmic pitches by actually swinging the remote.
It's got a 64-bit A chip. It's got all the latest wireless technologies, and it's just 10 millimeters taller. On the back, you've got power, HDMI, and Ethernet. And of course, it comes with the new Siri remote. It'll even turn the TV on or your AV receiver on and switch the inputs via CEC. It's got a built-in accelerometer and gyroscope, and it lasts for a full 3 months on a single charge with typical use. And when you need to recharge it, there's a lightning connector right on the bottom.
Introducing the iPhone 6s and the iPhone 6s Plus.
The new iPhone 6s comes in 4 metal finishes: silver, gold, space gray, and the new rose gold. And it comes in 2 sizes: the iPhone 6s with its 4.7-inch Retina display, and the 6s Plus with its 5.5-inch Retina display. It's called 3D Touch.
This is the next generation of multi-touch. For the first time, along with recognizing familiar gestures, iPhone also recognizes force.
And Instagram, now they've really gone to town. I can jump right in to my activity feed, and when I'm in here with these little picture thumbnails, well, of course, I can peek right in. If I want to favorite or like one, I can do it just like this. Or if there's a person I follow and I want to see all of their photos, well, I can, of course, dive deeper and pop right in.
Inside your iPhone, it's the fastest chip we've ever built into a phone, the new A9 chip. Also our 3rd generation 64-bit chip. It's built with the new transistor architecture. It means we can drive faster performance while being more energy efficient. And we've also, for the first time, built in our motion coprocessor, M9, directly into the chip. We have our new Hey Siri feature. And with Hey Siri, whether you're plugged in or not, you can speak directly to your iPhone and ask Siri things like, "Hey Siri, what's it like being you?" The new iPhone 6s includes a new 2nd generation Touch ID sensor. It's twice as fast, so it's so lightning quick now. When you touch it, you can't believe how quickly it recognizes your fingerprint. An all new iSight camera. In fact, it's a 12 megapixel iSight camera. HD videos, and now for the first time in an iPhone, 4K videos. What if you could press with 3D Touch on your photos and this happened? It's called Live Photos. We're priced this way, starting at $199 on iPhone 6 and $299 on iPhone 6 Plus. We're very proud to tell you the new iPhone 6s, the new 6s Plus will come in at the exact same prices and same configurations. With the iPhone upgrade program, you can get a new iPhone every year, and it starts at just $32 a month. So when can you get the new iPhone 6s and 6s Plus? Well, you can pre-order starting this Saturday, September 12th. And then it'll be available in just 2 weeks, September 25th. We're also going to want to run iOS 9 on all of our devices. So I'm very happy to tell you that it will become available just next week on September 16th.